the edge of this quiet town. Open sign still glows red though the sun went down. Wet pavement outside gleams, reflecting neon light. Inside a pie display dreams, rotating through the night. Cherry, lemon, underneath the glass. Coffee urns are steaming as the lonely hours pass. I fold the napkin, you watch the steam rise slow. Waitress, no hello, no familiar wave, just the quiet hum. Slow cherry diner, no cars, I'm not lonely. I'm just a regular, spinning under glass stars. Yeah, I'm not lonely, I'm just a regular. I trace a number down on a paper square, leave it by the coffee cup, lost within the air. Morning comes and goes, trucks pass on the road. The pie display still glows, carrying its sweet load. I fold the napkin neat, watch the steam rise slow. Waitress, no hello, no familiar wave, just the quiet hum. Slow cherry diner, no cars, I'm not lonely. I'm just a regular, spinning under glass stars. Yeah, I'm not lonely, I'm just a regular. Rain begins to fall, then it stops again. The shadows start to crawl across the wet terrain. This pie display never stops through the night and day. Each tiny sweet drop keeps the blues away. Slow cherry diner, no cars, I'm not lonely. I'm just a regular, spinning under glass stars. Yeah, I'm not lonely, I'm just a regular. The sign clicks off its glow, one booth stays lit inside, just the pie show.